Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm a little late with my New Year greetings, but I just wanted to wish each and every one of you guys a happy New Year from my kitchen to yours and my family to yours. I hope you had a great day and I hope 2020 brings you nothing but the best. Now, in any Guyanese or Caribbean household, you know that eating Blackeye on New Year's is a New Year's tradition. So today I'm going to be sharing Grammy's recipe for black-eyed peas cook-up rice. Very simple, so let's get into it. So the first step in making the black-eyed peas cook-up rice is to get some dried black-eyed peas and soak them for about 2 hours. After you soak them for 2 hours, you're going to go ahead and wash them really well and you're going to drain them off. At that point, we can start to put together the rest of the cook-up rice. Now, as far as the rest of the recipe, all of the ingredients are very minimal and very simple. As long as you have good fresh ingredients, the food is going to come out great tasting. So in my pot here, I'm bringing up some water to a boil, and into that water, as it's coming up to a boil, we've gone in with some sliced onions, a little bit of cilantro, and some wiri peppers. This dish is definitely up to you as far as flavors go, so definitely play along with all of the seasonings you have. Now, once you've gone in with the onions, the wiri pepper, as well as the cilantro, Grammy also went in with some scallions. These are just chopped scallions, and that's what she added in here, and the water is still coming up to a boil. Now, once your water starts to simmer and almost comes to a boil, you're going to go in with those black-eyed peas. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to cook this on a medium-high heat and boil it just until the peas are tender. Do not cook it until the peas are mushy, or else by the time you add the rice and it's done cooking, the peas will disintegrate. So you just want to cook it till it's tender. This will take about 20 minutes, but it'll depend on the type of beans or the brand of beans that you buy. So this is what the mixture looks like after it's been cooking for about 20 minutes. The beans were just about tender. It's not to the point where you want to eat them yet. They have a little bite to them, but this is the perfect time to proceed with the recipe because once you add the rice, the beans will finish cooking as well. So once all of those beans are tender for the most part, you're going to go in with some washed rice. Now for this recipe, you can go ahead and use the parboiled rice or you could use white rice. Grammy today decided to use some parboiled rice. That's just what we prefer to use as we make cook-up rice with. Now, once you go in with that rice, you're also going to go in with your salt. So this is adding salt to taste. Grammy just adds in a little bit at a time. And at the end of the recipe, you can always taste and add some in. So once you add that in, you're going to go ahead and stir it up. And you're going to allow this mixture to cook until all of that rice is cooked properly. Now, before we allow this to finish cooking totally, we're also going to go in with some coconut milk. Now, this is optional, but we do enjoy coconut milk in our cook-up rice because it makes it much richer and it allows to bring out all of the different flavors in there as well. So once you've gone in with that coconut milk and the whole mixture comes back up to a boil, you're going to go in with a little tab of butter. Now, in this instance, you could go ahead and use butter, or you could use that golden ray butter that is sold in the supermarkets. It is totally up to you. But once you add it in, you want to go ahead and give it a stir. So once your rice is about halfway cooked, it's time to go in with some chopped spinach. So as for the spinach, we are using chopped baby spinach that's been frozen, but if you wanted to, you could use fresh baby spinach and just throw in some leaves here. And after about another 20 to 25 minutes of cooking, your cook-up rice is going to be done. Now, for us in our household, we like a soupier cook-up rice. We do not like it dry. If you wanted it dry, you'd have to add in less water. What I recommend for that is to go ahead and follow the package directions that's on the rice to get it to that perfect texture. But this is done. We tasted it for salt and seasonings and it is perfect and ready to eat. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this quick and simple recipe. As always, my ingredients and the measurements will be down in the description box below. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Hit that like button and give it a thumbs up, and go ahead and comment down below and tell me what you thought about this recipe. Again, I hope 2020 brings nothing but success and more good food for each and every one of you. Bye guys.